Petunia. We are nursing students from St. Francis, and we are going to be administering some blood to you today because your hemoglobin's a little low. We're going to give you about 2 units. My name's Heather.
My name's Emily.
And the procedure is probably going to take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. And for the first 15 minutes, we're going to infuse the blood at a rate of 2 milliliters per minute. And during that 15-minute period, we're also going to stay in here with you and make sure everything's going smoothly, okay? I'm going to start by just getting some vital signs on you.
Grab your blood pressure.
While she's doing that, if I could, with your right hand here, if you could sign the consent to have this done and see this blood. Thank you. I'm going to get your temperature here as well. Got you at 97.9.
And your blood pressure is 117/72.
Gonna feel for your pulse here. Just relax. And I've got your pulse at 70 and respiration's at 16.
Alright. So we're
Pulse
gonna,
ox real quickly.
as she's doing that, I'm just gonna check your site here to make sure there's no problems with it.
Your pulse ox was 94.
Alright. So get the blood. Alright. Continue bunny. O positive. And the identification number is 38 FH66683.
So
Alright. It's packed red blood cells. 2 units and looks good.
you have an expiration date?
It's November 10th of this year.
Alright.
So,
Things in check.
so we're gonna infuse the blood with normal saline, like Heather said, over 2 to 4 hours. We're gonna swipe the bag.
Put the clamps up there.
Okay. Okay, so if you feel you start to feel funny, like if you have starting to feel hot or have any flank pain, just let us know and we'll stop the infusion, but we'll be with you for the first 15 minutes.
And before we start this infusion, can I have your name and date of birth? Great, thank you. Now we're going to start it. 2 milliliters per minute. All right, your 15 minutes is up. And it looks like everything went smoothly. That's great. All right, we're going to get another set of vital signs on you here, Petunia, okay?
Get your blood pressure on your opposite arm.
Get your temp here while she's doing that.
Right. Blood pressure is 120/78.
Okay, and your temperature is 97.8.
Get your pulse ox.
I will get your pulse again.
O2 is 95.
Okay, and I've got your pulse at 68, and your respiration's at 16. So everything's looking pretty good then.
Alright. If you have any questions or have any problems over the next 2 to 4 hours, just give your call let us know and we'll be back to check on you.
Thank you so much, Petunia.